To many of us, there's nothing better than a road trip. What makes it even better is when you're riding in a Model A Ford with a reliable and powerful Burtz Block engine. Here's a short video of two good friends, Ron and Mike, who embarked on a 6-day road trip in May of 2024 to see some of California's great sights. They traveled close to 1,000 miles in Mike's Model A that is powered by a Burtz Block engine. Since installing the Burtz Block engine in his 31 Coupe that he's owned for over 50 years, Mike has logged close to 3,000 miles on it. As a footnote, in 2020, Mike gave up driving due to macular degeneration vision loss and is now enjoying the Burtz Block experience through friends like Ron that are willing to drive the dream. Thanks for the video, Mike, and we're glad to hear how the Burtz Block engine is helping Model A owners get out on the road and enjoy more time with friends.